A'udzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya wal mursalin walhamdulillahirabbil alamin. First of all, we thank Allah Subhanahu wa taala for choosing all of you to be here in this blessed Muktamar or rally really. And congratulations to Jamaati Islami for gathering so many people today. And when I was driving along the road, I saw the Maududi application. You know, when I was young, I used to read a lot of Maududi's book. And now we see that the legacy lives on, and I am so glad to see so many young people here, inshallah. To do good is very much linked to Islam and to Iman. In the Quran, it says, "Fastabiqul khairat." And in the hadith saying that if you see any injustice, you must do something, either with your hand, if you have a power, or with your mouth, or with your heart. And if you use your heart just to hate the injustice, it is indicating that your iman is very weak. You know, brothers and sisters, that Gaza is undergoing genocide and is still ongoing. And most of the people affected are women, 70 to 80%. There are so many orphans. It is quoted more than 56,000 orphans in Gaza. And because of the bombing and the shrapnel injuries, there are about 6,000 amputees in Gaza at the moment. So, with all these atrocities that is unprecedented, we, human beings outside the world, cannot just watch what is happening in Gaza and stay silent. So why do we sail on the conscience to break the siege of Gaza? This is the 38th attempt of Freedom Flotilla Coalition to break the siege of Gaza since 2008. As a Muslim, it is our responsibility to do so. As a doctor, it is my job. I am an obstetrician and gynecologist, and I take care of women from womb to tomb. And as a human, to ensure humanity is not lost, you must do something to help the people of Gaza. We hope the government send ships and loads of aid and help to break the siege of Gaza, but it's not happening. The world is silent. So it is up to us, the citizens who uphold truth and justice, to do something, inshallah. So, khairun nas anfa'uhum linnas. Make sure we are on the right side of history, and we make dua for Allah to use us in His path for the victory for the Muslim. Free Palestine. Pakistan Zindabad.